Hello students, in this video we are going to see about the 2015 SAT question paper answer for social science. First question, Dash was the most powerful Pratikara king? Answer is Mihira. Second one, Dash has been called the cradle of Indian temple architecture? Answer Aihole. Who assumed the title of Sangirana Jadi? Answer Mahendravarman II. Third one, fourth one, Jital. The copper coin was introduced by Iltutmish. Dash is called the Whispering Gallery, Golkumbas. Who has been called the father of modern currency? Sirsa. In AD 1665, Treaty of Purandar was signed between Dash and Dash, Shivaji and Jai Singh. Question number 8. Match the following. Bartholomew Dias, Goa, Vasco da Gama, Blue Water Policy, Francisco de Almeida, Cape of Good Hope, Alfonso de Albuquerque, Calicut. So we have to match that and then we have to arrange the correct order. So the answer is 4. The answer is second one. You know that Bartholomew Dias is a Cape of Good Hope. Then Vasco da Gama reached Calicut. Then Francisco de Almeida. Blue Water Policy, Alfonso de Albuquerque, Goa. So these are the answer for this match. Then choose the incorrect pair. So there are 4 pairs are given. Among them, 1 pair is incorrect. We have to find that. So first Carnatic War is the first Carnatic War, 1746 to 1748. Battle of Plassey, AD 1757. Battle of Buxar, 1765. The first Anglo-Mysore War, 1767 to 1769. The answer for the wrong pair is Battle of Buxar. Okay, the correct answer is 1764. So third one is the wrong pair. Question number 10. The Regulating Act was passed in the year 1773. The answer is 1773. So I have forgot to type the answer, children. So answer is the second one, 1773. Sorry for that. The next one, who founded the city Gangaikonda Solapuram? Answer is Rajendra Chola first. Next one, choose the incorrect statement. So they have given a 4 statement. Among them, 1 or 2 sentences are incorrect. So we have to find that. The answer is second and Lord William Bentinck created a permanent police force in India. This is the wrong one. Then fourth one, Lord Cornwallis. So I forget to type Cornwallis, Cornwalls. So here is a spelling mistake. Answer is Corn. You have to correct that. Corn. Okay. Lord Cornwallis passed the Bengal Tendency Act in 1822. So these answer 4 is the correct one. Next. Question number 13. The mural paintings of first Pandyan period are seen in Sittanavasal Cave Temple. The history of India was written by answer Henry Eliot. Which ancient Tamil king introduced the chain of justice? Manuniri Cholan. The International Court of Justice is situated in The Hague. The article of Indian Constitution which provides, here is a provides, I forgot to type P, so spelling is Provides, here is a spelling mistake. Here is a spelling mistake, Provides, okay. Which article of Indian Constitution which provides free and compulsory education for all children up to the age of 14 is Article 45. The time duration for the question number 18, the time duration for singing or playing our national anthem is answer 52. Sarada Act was enacted in the year 1929. The only active volcano in India is Barren Island. The answer for this question is Barren Island. The deepest place in the Pacific Ocean is Mariana Trench. Answer is Mariana Trench. The next one. The largest hydroelectric power project in the world is in China. Dash refers to the violently rotating columns of air. Answer is tornadoes. The Dash Sea was a shallow sea between the Angara and Gondwana lands. The answer is Tethys. Dash district in Tamil Nadu has the world's largest wind farm, Kanyakumari. Find the odd man out. Answer here, odd one out, not odd man. Here also one spelling mistake. So here we have to find the odd one, the O-N-E one. You change this O-N-E one. Okay. Find the odd one out. Answer is sulfur. Here options are petroleum, natural gas and coal. These are all the minerals, and sulfur is not a minerals. Okay. So answer is sulfur. The process by which plants lose water through the photosynthesis is called evapotranspiration. Answer is evapotranspiration. The study of the science of dash is called fulminology. Answer lightning. The study of lightning is called fulminology. Thunderstorms are also called cyclonic rainfall. Answer is cyclonic rainfall. Judges belong to the dash collar workers. Answer is gold collar workers. So I hope these 30 questions are useful for you. Thank you, children.